Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JST token. The price line of JST has just broken out a very long channel, and in today's video we will take a look at the next expected targets. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me recall my latest analysis video that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 15th of Feb, when the price line of JST completed a harmonic bullish reversal guardian move on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And by the way, this pattern was formed against the Bitcoin, and you can see that the price line was having very nice support here, and that was at 0.0000113 Bitcoins, and our targets are from 124 to 129. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line rallied very well, and even so far it has rallied beyond the targets which I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal guardian move. Now let's take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and here price line has broken out a very big and long channel that was started here back in October 2021, and right now here the price line has broken out on 4th of Feb, but unfortunately it is rejected by this 200 daily simple moving average. That is a very strong resistance, and you can see that the price line is strongly rejected by this resistance, had some correction, and now it is likely to start the next reversal move. If I place this Fibonacci tool from this low to this high, then you can see exactly at 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket it is dropped, and from there it is starting the next reversal towards the upside. Here we need to keep this support in our mind. That is really very important at 3.5 cents, and that is also a recent swing low before this breakout, and I'll tell you why this is really very important. If we switch to the weekly time frame from here, then we can see that even though we have broken out this long channel, but still we have a very big resistance of a very big descending triangle on the weekly time frame chart. We had a rejection here, we had few rejections here on the weekly time frame, and we had two more rejections here. And by the way, after this rejection, the price line did not move here and dropped at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level that we have just seen here. And now from here it is starting the next reversal towards the upside. Now the resistance of this descending triangle is approximately at 6.1 cents. Then we will have a very powerful horizontal price level resistance here at 9.5 cents, and then here we have the final resistance approximately at 20 cents. Now take a look at this support that I was telling you. This is the same support of 3.5 cents that we had here, and this is the recent swing low before this breakout. For example, if you're trading this down channel, then you can set your stop loss here at this 3.5 cents, because this is the recent swing low before the breakout, but it is also a very big support of a very big triangle as well. And even previously it has been working as a strong resistance back in November 2020. Therefore, breaking down this support will be really very difficult for JST token. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.